Hello, students. I hope you all are fine. So, here is the chapter number second, subject and predicate. A sentence can be separated into two parts: the person, place, thing, or emotion that is spoken about, naming part, and what is being said about the person, place, thing, or emotion, doing part. So, sentence have two parts: the naming part and the doing part. And naming part we know as subject and doing part is known as predicate. Let's see the example. The gardener waters the plant. So the naming part, the garden, the person waters the plant, doing part, action part. Who waters the plant? Gardener. Okay, so the name of the person, place, or thing or emotion is said to be a subject, or what is said being said about the subject is known as predicate. In the above sentence, the gardener is the naming part or the subject. The doing part or the predicate is waters the plant, as it says something about the naming part as subject. So the subject thus is the part of a sentence about which something is said, and the predicate is the part of a sentence which says something about the subject. So all sentences have two parts: subject and predicate. So the part which says something about the sentence, so about the person, place, or thing is said to be subject, and the part of the sentence which says something about the subject is known as predicate. Every sentence contains a subject and a verb. Every sentence contains a subject and a verb, and a short sentence may consist only two words. That, for example, he sleeps. And there is an exceptional case for imperative sentence. It expresses an order request. It does not have written subject, as thank you. So there is no subject before thank you. So we considered I as a subject. Go away, so we considered you as a subject here. Okay, in these sentences the subject I and you are understood for imperative sentence only. So the person, place, thing, or emotion that is spoken about is naming part or a subject part, or the what is being said about the person, place, or thing, or emotion, or we can say overall about the subject, is known as doing part or predicate. Now exercise: separate the following sentence into subject and predicate. We have to separate it as a subject and a predicate. The first one is stars twinkle in the sky. So stars, subject, twinkles in the sky, predicate. I just underline subject part, and the rest of the part will be your predicate part. So write it accordingly in the given blanks below here. Okay, in first, stars is subject and predicate is twinkles in the sky. They are walking down the road. They, subject, are walking down the road, predicate. The monkey sat upon a tree. The monkey, subject, sat upon a tree, predicate. All the students were wearing uniform. All the students, subject, were wearing uniforms, predicate. Barking dogs seldom bite. Barking dogs, subject, seldom bites, predicate. Okay, students? So this is the chapter for you today. We begin rest of the chapter in our next video.